Post tab option not showing in Facebook search. If I search in Facebook, showing many options but post tab missing. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the step. First of all, go back to home screen. Open Play Store. Click on search bar. Search Facebook. From here, update your Facebook app if it available. Now go back to home screen. Tap and hold Facebook. Click on app info or I button. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache. Now go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now check your problem solved. If still problem not resolved, then go to Play Store and search again Lite. Install Facebook Lite and open it. Now search in Facebook Lite and see post option is showing here. By this way you can easily solve this problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.